Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on a sense of Mayo. But you realize why we are where we are. Ngendaba kaGwabini. And uGwabini, as he's still in hospital, we still don't have a report ukuthi uhambe kanjani. But you saw ukuthi how the mainstream media or ENCA or Newsroom Africa, they didn't report about Gwabini's accident. Maybe let's put it that way, ukuthi he was shot in some cimbi, in some ingoma that was happening, Kanongoma. That was a hit. There's no way nje uGwabini angabe ihlalele nje kuba sukelwa abantu baqhamuke and shoot him in the lake. There's nothing like that. They wanted him gone, because he is the main person that's giving testimony in the sense of Mayor case. We had to adjourn because of him. Because Ubaloyi now was throwing tantrums. So Ubaloyi, when he's supposed to give us the statement, he can't now give us a statement, and then uzilahlela phansi like a baby, like a crazy child. Uzilahlela phansi, uyisakaza phansi, uratha wammela wathi no. It is fine, no menganaso leso statement. Like I had said, guys, Urata made his decision long time ago. Ukuthi these 5 accused are guilty. This is the same person that I was Googling and found out ukuthi Urata once gave umuntu ongenzile lutho 200 years. But JP comes and says to us, here is Rata, a retired judge, 8 this year. He's the best. He has 50 years experience, because that's the only line that we hear in court. I have 50 years experience, I'm the best. You know? Ubaloyi uthesebona ukuthi I'm not having my way. Njengengane encane ezolahlela phansi ibe nama-tantrums. I'm gonna do the same. In fact, I'm gonna say my life is in line. Because how is Baloyi's life in line? And then go turn around to go to Urata manje. Futhi is in line twice Urata. In 3 weeks. The 3 weeks, they twisted things around, but no, actually, no Rata. Also, Urata asked us so many times, please guys, whoever wants to shoot me, can they not shoot me on the face? Because I want to look beautiful in my casket for my wife. Guys, people can turn things around, yes. People can lie. But one thing I know about this case, just as much as people have been unalived so many times in this case, mysteriously so, seeing as we took going to in log, things will turn around. And they can see good things are turning around now. That is why when Gwabini came, people were unsettled in that court. They became animals in that court. When Gwabini came, they started making up stories like they always do. We are more than to Brigadier Kinida Opalinwat, literally, Gali case. They won't win, those people. And at the back of their mind, they like, we got away with it. In front of South Africans, we're still gonna get away with it. It won't happen. Things are going to turn around for the Mayors. They are going to turn around, isn't it? We are hopeful. That is why we are still doing this case. Because we can see right through people's tactics. See, we can see right through them. Ubrigadier Kinida Mande makes up stories. They are there to unalive you. And unalive you, Mukhano. And your other entourage just ngayazi. No, guys. It needs to stop at some stage. You saw how Absalom Zungu came and changed things in that court. The whole evidence existed egam Brigadier Bongani Kinida. Immediately after him, kwafika uGwabini, and Absalom Zungu finished and defeated Ubaloyi. He was dragging him to filth in that court. It's la wena Baloyi. Oyimbiza kanje phela. Ufuna uqambisa amanga. When I know the truth, Brigadier Bongani Kinida, the same person who wanted to take me overseas. wayefuna ukungenzani lo baba lo engihambise emahlathini efuna ukungenza izinto. Guys, hayibo uyabona and mase ubuka kahle uBrigadier Gininda failed around uAbsalom Zungu. He was gonna unalive him, guys. We all know the truth. That is why in the end, when he went to make statements like there at Newcastle Hospital, he said it there. What? If anything happens to me, Usizwe Zungu Constable Umtanami and Brigadier Gininda. He made it clear to South Africans when he had that interview with Daily Sun. He was just like, I need to protect myself, otherwise ngizodlala abantu. Mangihambile nje. He has Absalom disowned umntanakhe uSizwe Zungu. Who lied? How can you lie kodwa ngobaba komdala kangaka guys and put him in such big lies? And my question every day, umbalini ayitholile. How much money did he get? Constable Sizwe Zungu. Uthole malini lo muntu from uBrigadier Gininda for ukuthi aqamba amanga. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda sisayiphathe futhi leyo sesivele sayikhuluma sesifaka ngaphansi kwakhaphethi ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda once promised accused number 2 uBongani Ntanzi u3 million ukuthi avumele icase. He's gonna get more than that, guys, once those guys are acquitted for this case. What's angufuni lo 3 million wakho biza ungixhaphaza ungishaya chubi me ungenza all sorts of things. What's angufuni lo 3 million leyo manje asisaphathwa sisayikhuluma kodwa ikhona, it does actually exist, it's on record. Yamazumunisi athi please my lord, can I put it on record ukuthi manje nathi our lives are in danger now. Ngiyasaba uRatha twisted things around. uRatha, no, do you want to go to a psychologist? But it looks like you want to uyahlanya. You understand uRatha because the stuff that he does to people. He can break you uRatha mangabhekile if you're not strong. And umnisi advocate Charles Mnisi in the end bese ntenga umntana abantu sephelelwe amandla engathi defeated. People are even thinking he's not gonna come back. I don't know what you guys think. Is he gonna come back? Because this is not the first time Umnisi has been tested, guys. Umbono wake washo naGratha wathi I can't continue, my lord. Wash in the middle of 2025 wathi I cannot continue then, my lord. And masusubuka kahle uBrigadier Gininda is also implicated in that defeat. Umnisi ethi nje angiboni ukuthi ngizokwazi then ukuqhubeka. Namanje we are hopeful and we are trying to stay positive, because with this case, if you're not positive, uzophela, you'll be finished. They're always trying to break you. A person who came to Senzomeyiwa's house, the first person that came there, uMakhubo, they've been trying to break him. Ayikho into abakazi ba trying menza yona. Kade befuna ukumhambisa naye. Wayezohamba. Kule case phela mawunomlomo bayakuhambisa. This is why ngihlezi ngibuza ukuthi what happened to late Thulani Mngomezulu? What? Ngoba he was just about to give us a breakthrough in that case. And umnisi uhamba in his footsteps, uyiphethe yonke evidence and the people that we want to bring in as witnesses, like how it's done now with Absalom and Kwabini. I never expected Absalom to come. I never. But Umnisi was like, yabona, these two main people are my people. Ngiyababona go-kill. Ngoba bakafuna ukusitshela iqiniso. Those people who are defeating the ends of justice, sekufana ngabe bayaboshwa kahle hle. They must just be arrested, those people, actually. So basically, it states after Absalom Zungu kanye noKwabini, the state had no case. It defense dragged them to filth, those people. In live TV there at court, sibuka sonke. Uthe sebona ubaloyi ukuthi no, I'm actually not having my way. I need to come up with something. uGininda wathi I know actually laba bahleli lapha emuva fanele baboshwe bangifuna. They want me gone. They want you gone kanjani guys? Wena uhlala ufake imask. Who wants you gone? And naleyo mask yakhe futhi, if you know, immediately after they went to local, it came out ukuthi no, that's not allowed. You mustn't wear that mask. Loya yamuntu. Angithi unomlomo wena. Uhlezi ukhuluma lapha ecourt, busy trying to trash umnisi, ucabanga ukuthi uphethe court there just because you are studying law. You'll finish that law again inside prison. Futhi sengathi ungamhamba uyojoina uKhet Matlala eBhungweni. There in Kokstad, singaphela thina wena. The whole of South Africans are controlled by one crazy brigadier. And you want to mention Umkhanazi, what there's one brigadier, one. I really believe ukuthi uyena ubrigadier Bongani Kinindi. What there's one in Gauteng, one. Ucabanga ukuthi he rules the world. Go listen to those things is on 6th of July. Where Umkhanazi was talking. You know why he mentioned him? Because umngani ka General Shedrack Josephus Sibiya. Njengombone nje ubrigadier Bongani Kinindi ecabanga ukuthi is untouchable. Wenziwa Shedrack, uyena wamenza babe together the DPP deciding on lo 636 ukuthi they were intruders kaKheli. KaKheli they were no intruders. Those people were sitting drinking. Wephuza ibruta futhi Zandile Khumalo Gumede. There was no one that came in that house. No one came in actually in that house. Yeah. People must just stop, please.